This is the new Stackoverflow keyboard, and let's see what it's like. So it's the key, as you see here. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. I'm gonna open it. You have here good artist copy, great artist steal, greatest artist copy, then paste. No truer words have ever been said. So as we open it, oh, okay, instructions for how to use it and configure it. I might have to look into that. And then some nice soft little thing, and then yeah, this is it. I guess this is the plug, and you have these little things. I'm not sure what that is yet. Looks like a little piece of Lego. Finally, the keyboard. Take that out real quick. Let's see if I can take that out. There it is. Here's the keyboard. Here's your switches, or whatever they're called. It's the bottom of it. This is where you plug it in. So yeah, let's try it out, I guess. Okay, so now I'm going to see how the keyboard works when I just plug it in. I forgot to mention also that it came with some screws, extra screws. So let's see, I'm just going to plug it in. I will say that also you can modify the keyboard keys. There's a little QR code that you can go to, and it says if you download this JSON file, then you can modify it. So here I go, plugging it in. I plugged in the keyboard, and you can see it's setting up a device right there. Also, the keyboard has got this color now that it's in. And let's see, so here's Notepad with nothing on it, and if I press the C key, hopefully the letter C should come up. Yep, there it is. Okay, and obviously we need to try the last thing. Let's see, Control A to copy everything, and then let's see, Control C, Control. I'll do this right here. Control V. All right, so it does work. It even works if you hold it down. So yeah, there we go.